Practices tell us that advice generation is the #1 process that slows them down. Advice Toolkit solves that. It's Xplan's fully supported, out-of-the-box kit for financial advice firms. It's got the advice templates and workflows we think every practice needs, from fact finds to fee disclosure statements, SOAs, ROAs, and portfolio review documents. Work smarter with automation and workflows built on best practices. Advise your clients online with a secure client portal and unlimited document storage. Protect your business from cyber risks with cloud-based technology. And cut out manual updates and always stay up to date. We host it, manage it, and support you all the way. What's not to love? If you're looking for a simple way to cut out the admin that slows you down and do more of the high-quality advice that makes you brilliant, take a closer look at Advice Toolkit.